I am Ninad. In the question, the problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in the question, we can see that this symbol moves 90 degree clockwise in every step. Also, the pin symbol is moving 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, and a new symbol at its head in upward direction. Therefore, the only answer to this question will be option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In the question, the problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of the question. Now, in the figure, we can see that in each step, 2 lines are removed from the upper 2 triangles. These 2 lines are moved from the upper 2 triangles, and in the next step, lower 2 lines are moved. 2 lines are moved from the lower squares alternately in a pattern, and this pattern is followed. Therefore, answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, a problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, if you look carefully, in each step, one of the figure has been removed. For example, from A to B, this triangle has been removed, and from B to C, one of the figure will be removed, and from the C to D, one of the figure will be removed, and from D to E, we can see that this equal to sign on D has been removed and it is not in E. Therefore, the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 5. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In the question, a problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution to this question. Now, if you look at the problem figure, we can see that each time the figure rotates through 90 degree in clockwise direction. Now, the figure A is rotating 90 degree in clockwise direction. Now, the second time this figure is rotated 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Now, from that it is rotated 180 degree in clockwise direction, and from that it is rotated 225 degree in anti-clockwise direction sequentially. Also, the number of lines has been decreasing by 1, then increasing by 2, then decreasing by 3, and then increasing by 4, and so on. Therefore, the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 5. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In the question, the problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, we can see in problem figure that in each step, straight line is added and 2 half leaves are removed. Now, in step A to B, this one straight line is added and 2 half leaves are removed. Now, in the second step, 2 straight lines are introduced and 3 half leaves are removed. Now, if we compare D with E, now here 2 straight lines are introduced. Now, when this is removed, 2 straight lines will be introduced. One will be here, one will be here, and 2 half leaves, 3 half leaves will be removed. One will be this, this, and this. Therefore, the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 4. Thank you.